I once stood before the world, a humble servant of liberty, my heart brimming with determination. I was Thomas Jefferson, and though history would remember me as a founding father, an author of the Declaration of Independence, and later the third President of the United States of America, there was another side to me that remained shrouded in secrecy. The summer sun beat down upon Monticello, my Virginia plantation, its warmth seeping into every corner of my being as I scribbled away at my desk. The Declaration of Independence lay before me, a document that would forever alter the course of history. Yet, amidst this momentous task, my thoughts were preoccupied with Sally Hemings, a beloved slave who bore me children, despite our forbidden love. My heart ached as I wrote those revolutionary words, "All men are created equal," knowing full well that this ideal did not extend to Sally or the countless other enslaved souls on my land and across America. The bitter irony of it all weighed heavy upon me, fueling an insatiable fire within me to strive for change. As I labored over each word, my mind wandered to Sally, her gentle smile, her tender touch, and the secret children she bore in the shadows of Monticello. Our love was a clandestine dance, one that dared to defy the harsh realities of our time. We could only steal moments of joy amidst the oppressive veil of slavery. The years passed, and as I continued my public service, penning the Constitution and leading our new nation as president, I couldn't help but feel a deep sense of shame for my hypocrisy. The ideals I fought for, the very foundation upon which America was built, seemed at odds with my own personal life. But it was this internal turmoil that would eventually lead me to champion another cause close to my heart: the separation of church and state in U.S. politics. This concept, birthed from the crucible of my own contradictions, became a cornerstone for the religious freedom America would come to embody. As I neared the end of my days, the sins of my past continued to haunt me. Yet, in the twilight of my existence, I found solace in the knowledge that our great nation, though far from perfect, was built upon the very ideals I fought for: equality, freedom, and the unwavering pursuit of a better tomorrow. And so, as I pen these final words, I cannot help but reflect on my life, its triumphs, its heartaches, and the indelible mark I left on the world. Though history may judge me harshly for my transgressions, I remain proud of the man I was, and the father I unwittingly became to those children born of love in a time when it dared not speak its name.